Hi, I am Ansi. Welcome to my channel and my balcony gardening. Today, I want to show you how to propagate a mint plant from an existing one. There are different types of mint plants. For example, peppermint, spearmint, apple mint, water mint, wild mint, etc. Mint is an aromatic herb native to Eastern Mediterranean area. I don't have many types of mint, but of course I have 3 of them in my garden. I am propagating all the 3 to make more plants. Mint plant can provide you potassium, magnesium and iron. I usually add mint in my tea, salads and also to garnish most of my dishes. So I need a lot of mint. So I thought of sharing the video to help everybody who loves mint. This mint plant I propagated few weeks ago. Now I took a cutting from this plant to propagate my next one. This method not only give a new plant to propagate, but also help this mother plant to branch more leaves. This is the cutting I took from the mother plant. We can remove many leaves from this branch so that the plant can concentrate on rooting. From all those nodes we have removed the leaves, the plant can generate roots. I think there are still a lot of leaves. I am removing more of them. The next step is to cut just below any of those nodes. You can choose the node according to the height of the plant you need. Also make sure you have at least 2-3 nodes to begin with. Now your cutting is ready for propagation. You can either grow them in water or you can plant them directly on the soil. If you would like to see the roots coming out, you can grow them in water few weeks. But personally, I think it's better to plant them directly on the soil to avoid the shock for the plant. I have used both the methods and I prefer to plant them directly on the soil. The leaves I took off from this branch I will use for my tea. I can show you my mint plant which I propagated through the water method. If you see, the leaves are a little bit tired for this plant. However, it rooted very good. There are many roots coming out in this water. Anyway, I decided to let them be in the water. I am not transplanting them now. All my mint plants in my house are propagated using the same method. I hope you enjoyed the way I propagate mint plants. If you did, please subscribe to my channel and leave a thumbs up. Thank you for watching my videos.